Made to last. The Golf Push Cart's three-wheel folding golf handcart is made with heavy-duty aluminum frame construction material, is equipped with upper-lower brackets with elastic strap, can fix any size of golf bag. Comes in a stylish black-gray color. Height adjustable handle. This golf pull cart's collapsible golf bag push cart features ergonomic padded height adjustable handle for multiple pushing positions and to accommodate users of different heights. Has a max weight capacity of 33 pounds. Ball bearing wheels. SereneLife golf carts push-pull golf bag roller cart are equipped with 3 ball bearing wheels that provides balance and easy mobility on the course and traction on all types of terrain for a smooth roll. Simple braking system. This lightweight push cart walk golf cart has a simple quick braking system that prevents the cart from rolling away when parked. It is also equipped with a new deluxe scorecard storage compartment. Flat fold design. The push-pull golf cart golf bag stroller features a compact foldable design, easy to fold, unfold in just seconds for hassle-free storage and transport. Has a folded size of 23.2 L x 7.3 W x 27.8 H and can easily fit in the trunk. Brake style. Rear braking. Top reviews from the United States. Great cart. I used it for the first time yesterday. I only played 9 holes. A great push cart, easy to unfold, push, maneuver, up hills, down hills and over rough terrain. The brake system works well, and this cart has almost everything you need, except an umbrella holder. The base is there, just no holder, so I am sure I can get one that will work for me. I also will get a bag to attach to it. I would highly recommend this cart, sturdy and well built.